Hello there, boys and girls. We're going again with some more mysteries, so we have to solve the mystery. We're going to represent subtraction problems within 5 using objects and drawings. So let's go ahead and read the directions on this first page. This is lesson 2 of module 6. So let's see what we can do. It says, listen to the subtraction word problem. Now we're doing subtraction. The last time, yesterday, we talked about addition, where you join two groups together, but now we're going to take them apart. So that's what subtraction means, and we use a different sign. We don't use a plus sign. Now we use a subtraction sign or a minus sign. So let's take a look in the buggy here. It says there are 4 items in the shopping cart. Let's count those. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 1 item is a can. The rest are bottles. What do you know about the number of bottles in the cart? So think about what you know about the bottles in the cart. Let's just take this away for now, so there's no glare. There are 3 bottles. Good. Excellent. They're all the same size. Good. Are they all the same color? No. And what do you know about the number of cans in the cart? Is there more of one, less of one? Think about some of those questions that you can ask. Talk about that with your grown-up at home for a minute. Great job. So let's go ahead and turn that page. Okay. Let's get on our good listening ears here. So let's take a look at the top one. This is an egg carton. And the egg carton has 3 eggs. 2 are brown eggs. The rest are white eggs. How could we figure that out? How are we going to represent that? Okay, if you have brown and white crayons, you can draw them. Right? So if you didn't have brown and white, what would you do? You could put some on this side, the brown ones on this side, the white ones on this side. Good. That's something you could do. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and draw them. And I'm going to draw some on one side and some on the other side. So I'll draw my brown ones on this side. So let's think. There are 3 eggs in the carton. 2 are brown. So I'll draw my brown over here. And 1 is, oh no, I'm sorry. Yeah, 1 is white because the rest are white. 2 are brown. 1 is white. Good job. Now, listen to the rest of the question. How many are white? Good, 1. Let's try another one. There are 5 grapes on the tray. So I'm going to make 5 grapes on my tray. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I kind of put them in a little rounded kind of formation. So there are 5 of them. 3 of them are red. So I'm going to color in my red ones. The rest are green. How many green ones are there? Now you remember, you're going to have to pretend this is red. And the rest are green, so these are green. How many green ones are there? Great job. So you really just have to think and draw your picture so you can figure it out. So let's see, I need an eraser. Let me grab a tissue to erase with, and then we'll go ahead and get out our next page. Ready? Get out your next page in your colored book, the one with the squares on the wings. Okay, and here we go. This is still kind of messy. It'll work. So let's take a look at number 3. Here's a bag up here. Let's think about this story. There are 4 items in the bag. So let's go ahead and draw 4 items in the bag. We're doing quick drawings. 4 items. Two items are boxes. So I'm going to circle the 2 that are boxes. These 2 are boxes. The rest are cans. How many cans are there? Very good. I circled the boxes, so there are 2 more left over. Those 2 are cans. Very good. Now let's go ahead down here to the stove and listen to the story, and we're going to draw. There are 5 cans on the counter. Let's draw 5 cans on the counter. See the kitchen counter? Here's the stove. 5 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. You have to count as you go because sometimes you just forget and you just keep drawing and drawing and drawing. So remember, only 5. Now listen to the rest of the story. 2 cans are tuna. So we're going to circle those 2. 2 of them, these ones are tuna. The rest are green beans. How many cans are green beans? You're really thinking. Good job. 3 are green beans. Very good. All right, let's turn that paper over. Let's see, we're on page 150 now. Wow. All right, so listen carefully again. It's another mystery. 4 crabs are on the beach. So what should we do first? Right, draw 4 crabs. 2 and 3 and 4. I'm counting because I don't want to get messed up and make too many. Because if you have too many, you're going to get the wrong answer. Listen to the rest of them. 1 is brown. Circle the brown one. The rest are blue. How many crabs are blue? Excellent. Around to the middle and around to the bottom. Good job. I've done this before. This is new to me. Well, I think these ones might be a little bit new because it was presented in a different way. Choose one of those and mark it in. All righty. And then get out your practice book. If you need to push pause, you may push pause. Go gather your items, and we'll get out the practice page, the other book that just has the black and white pages. See, like that? Okay. Well, this is a total mystery. There's not anything up here. So we're really going to have to listen. I bet we have to draw. Molly has 5 cars. What do we do first? Right, we draw 5 cars. 2, 3, 4, 5. Listen to the rest. 2 of the cars are yellow. If you have crayons, you may color 2 of them yellow. I don't have crayons, so I'm going to circle the 2 yellow ones. I can put a Y here because I know these are yellow, and Y says Y. That's the beginning sound in yellow. The rest of them are blue. How many cars are blue? Color them and see. How many did you color? Great job. Let's go ahead down to the, you're at the store now. Let's look at that. This is the counter and somebody's going to check us out. So listen to what we're going to buy today. There are 5 items. We're buying 5 items today. So let's go ahead and draw 5 items on the counter. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 3 of them are limes. Do you know what limes are? They're kind of like an orange, except they're green. So let's color 3 of them green. I'll circle mine because I don't have a green. I can put a G up above there because green begins with a G sound. The rest of them are lemons, and lemons are yellow. How many are you going to color yellow? 2, very good. You guys are awesome. You're really catching on to this. When you're finished coloring, turn your page. Alrighty, here we go with the last thing we're going to do today. Remember, whenever you fill in one of these circles, I want you to do it nice and neat. We're practicing that. It's very important. Listen to the subtraction word problem. Mark below the number that answers the question. There are 4 pieces of bread. 3 are sliced. The rest are whole. How many pieces are whole bread? Fill in the answer. I'll read that again. That was a little bit tricky, wasn't it? So I'll read it one more time to you. There are 4 pieces of bread. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4. 3 are sliced. Sliced means they are cut in half. So let's look at those. 1, 2, 3 are cut in half or sliced. The rest are whole. How many pieces of bread are whole? Let's circle the 3 sliced ones. How many are whole? That's right. Just fill in that circle under the number 1. Listen to this one. Circle the answer, the number that answers the question. There are 3 fruits and vegetables. 2 are carrots. The rest are pineapples. How many are pineapples? That one's easy. Circle the 2 carrots. What's left? 1 pineapple. Good job. Now let's compare the groups. Circle the group with a number of objects that is greater than the other group. Remember what greater means? Good, it has more. Good job. Let's circle the group that has more. Great job, boys and girls. See you again next time. Keep practicing counting, adding, and subtracting, and making those math stories all by yourself. Bye-bye.